Panasonic has always followed a very different philosophy compared to most camera manufacturers. Instead of chasing rapid annual updates or competing directly on spec sheets, the company has built its reputation around long-term, production-focused tools designed for working professionals. That approach was clearly demonstrated with the original Lumix S1H, a camera that earned respect not because it was flashy or trend-driven, but because it was reliable, consistent, and genuinely useful in real filmmaking environments. It even achieved Netflix approval, which placed it in a rare category of hybrid cameras trusted for serious production work. The S1H was not designed to be a lifestyle product or a casual creator tool. It was built for filmmakers who needed dependable performance in demanding conditions. Now attention has shifted toward what may become its successor, widely referred to in industry discussions as the Panasonic Lumix S1H II. While Panasonic has not officially confirmed the camera, ongoing leaks, internal chatter, and industry speculation suggest that development is very likely underway. Importantly, this is not being framed as a minor refresh or incremental update. Instead, expectations point toward a significant generational leap that could reshape Panasonic's position in the full-frame hybrid and cinema camera market once again. If the rumors prove accurate, the S1H II could redefine what professionals expect from a hybrid cinema camera in 2026. Unlike consumer-focused launches that prioritize marketing hype, Panasonic's approach to this potential release appears to remain grounded in professional use cases. The expected positioning of the Lumix S1H II places it at the very top of Panasonic's hybrid lineup, above the S5 series and alongside the company's more cinema-oriented systems. Rather than trying to appeal to every type of user, the S1H II is expected to focus on a very specific audience: independent filmmakers, documentary creators, and hybrid shooters who need a single camera capable of handling both high-end video production and reliable still photography when required. Current speculation surrounding the Panasonic Lumix S1H II suggests that the most important changes will not be cosmetic or superficial. Instead, the focus appears to be on deep internal improvements. One of the most discussed areas of development is the sensor. Reports indicate that Panasonic may introduce a newly designed full-frame sensor, likely in the 24 to 30 megapixel range, optimized specifically for video performance rather than high-resolution still photography. This would represent a deliberate shift in priorities, emphasizing speed, readout efficiency, and dynamic range over raw pixel count. One of the most important rumored upgrades involves sensor readout speed. It is widely believed that Panasonic may adopt a faster sensor architecture, potentially a partially stacked design. This would significantly reduce rolling shutter distortion, which is a critical factor for video professionals. Rolling shutter has always been one of the key technical limitations in digital video capture, especially when filming fast motion or handheld action. By improving readout speed, the S1H II could deliver far more stable and natural motion rendering, making it significantly more reliable for cinematic work. Dynamic range is expected to remain one of Panasonic's strongest technical advantages. The S1H already delivered impressive results in this area, but the S1H II is rumored to push performance even further, potentially exceeding 15 stops of usable dynamic range. This would allow filmmakers to retain more detail in both highlights and shadows, especially in challenging lighting conditions such as bright outdoor scenes or low-light environments. Improved highlight roll-off and smoother tonal transitions are also expected, which would contribute to a more cinematic and organic image profile. Another area of improvement involves low-light performance and ISO behavior. The S1H II is expected to refine Panasonic's dual native ISO system, resulting in cleaner high ISO performance across both base sensitivity levels. This could significantly reduce noise while preserving color accuracy and detail in darker scenes. Combined with improved shadow recovery, the overall image flexibility in post-production would likely be enhanced, giving colorists more room to work without degrading image quality. Color science is also expected to receive attention. Panasonic has traditionally been praised for producing neutral, grade-friendly footage, and the S1H II is expected to continue that approach while refining skin tone accuracy and color separation. The goal appears to be maintaining a natural, cinematic look that integrates easily into professional post-production workflows rather than applying heavy in-camera stylization. While photography is not the primary focus of the system, still image performance is still expected to benefit from these sensor improvements. More natural tonal gradation and improved dynamic range would translate into better still photography results, even if the camera is primarily designed for video creators. Video capabilities are where the Lumix S1H II is expected to make its strongest impact. One of the most widely discussed rumors is support for internal 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second. This would position the camera firmly within the high-end hybrid cinema segment. 8K recording would not only allow for extremely detailed final output but also enable oversampling for cleaner 4K footage and greater flexibility in post-production cropping and stabilization. In addition to 8K, the camera is expected to support advanced 6K and 4K recording modes, with high frame rate options potentially reaching 4K at 120 frames per second. Depending on the recording mode, Panasonic may also reduce or eliminate crop factors, maintaining full sensor coverage for maximum flexibility. This would be particularly valuable for filmmakers who rely on wide-angle compositions or anamorphic shooting styles. Panasonic has long been known for its strong internal recording capabilities, and the S1H II is expected to continue that tradition. Industry speculation suggests support for high-efficiency professional codecs, potentially including internal ProRes recording or high bitrate all-intra formats. These would likely be enabled through the use of CF Express media, which offers significantly faster data handling compared to traditional SD cards. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, the overall direction is clear. The S1H II is shaping up to be more than just a successor. It could become a defining camera that once again sets a benchmark for what a true hybrid cinema system should be in the modern filmmaking era.